Go on, you found the food already. Can you please stop chucking the seed all over the place? You're going to attract rats out here. Please? Oh, now you took a snap in the garden, you tri-pound. Yeah, Sparrow, as soon as these jackdaws go in the garden in huge flocks, jackdaws snap so often. After a few years, the garden's probably going to be nasty. Oh, why are you starting as well? You seed chucker? Probably going to end up attracting rats if they keep chucking it everywhere. Stop it! Gosh, you literally don't care at all. You and your mates don't care at all about chucking seed everywhere. Do you know what? I'll have fun with trapping rats then. Troublesome jackdaws. Yes, you. Keep chucking birdseed everywhere when you're not supposed to. Yeah, you got busted, didn't you? Alright, Mr. and Mrs. Dove. Yeah, you're gonna have to get to work. Eat all the spilled seeds on the ground. And jackdaws are probably gonna stay on the heckin' neighbours' roofs. 'Cause they're messy. Yeah. You're gonna... Yeah, stay there. From your aerobatics on the Yagi. Get up to that business. Stop messing up my garden. Hey, you there. I think you might want to send one of your friends to the vets. He's had an accident. His face is all scabby. And by the way, get out my bird feeder, mate. It's now a little bit in. You've ate most of the food up. Greedy gannets. I'm not messing around this time, Mum. The sparrows want some. And look at this devastation to the fence now. I bet you must have stained it with your poop. Troublesome jackdaws don't care. Unbelievable.